So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in edit power plan. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on power options, and then you want to click on choose what the power buttons do. And now you want to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You want to make sure that turn on fast startup has been turned on. You want to make sure that this has been ticked, and then click on save changes. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it and then click on run as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in powercfg /hibernate on and then click on enter. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on the startup tab. Now this will show you all the applications that start up when your computer turns on. If you do not need them to start up automatically, you want to disable it. So for example, I want to disable this one right here. You want to click on it and then click on disable, and then the status will change to disable. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to right click on your graphics card and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the latest drivers installed. Now once you complete all these steps, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.